Hey, what's up YouTube fam? I'm Nakash and I am back with another news that I know you are going to love. If you are new here, welcome. This is the place where we share exciting news with you. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of the exciting videos I have planned for you. Alright, let's get right into it. Participants in the Burning Man festival, who had been stranded for days by mud, dutifully took their trash to a depot on Tuesday as they began the long drive home following the reopening of the road out of the remote Nevada Desert Festival a day earlier. It was a busy day for Mitchell Tobey, who has been running a trash collection operation at Burning Man with his family since 2006. Tobey, 62, who belongs to the Pyramid Lake Native American tribe, said that the trash that is salvageable will be given back to the local community.
What we do is we'll take the trash and we'll separate it. Some of it is salvageable, a lot of it goes right back to the community, and that's what we like to do is give a lot of stuff back to the community. We keep what we need or what we want, and then we give the rest to the community. So the only thing I can see different is it's being really commercialized. There's a lot of people that are brand new and they just don't know how to act. They just, they get upset with the weather and stuff. They think it's just this big ball, and it's not. It's survival. As soon as you get on the flyer, you got to deal with three basic elements: the wind, the rain, and the people. So,
how was your experience at Burning Man?
It was great. Definitely a little rough, honestly.
How so?
Just a lot of stuff. Took some stuff that I shouldn't have been taking. Had a really bad trip, and then I don't know, just being there, the roads, the biking, it was rough, but it was really good overall.
Drone footage showed a long line of vehicles snaking through the desert along Highway 447 as tens of thousands of festival goers or burners took to the road. Longtime Burning Man attendees like Greg Garner, who came from Florida Keys with his wife Jennifer, said that they observed the strict rules to leave no trash behind, including anything as small as cigarette butt.
The whole time we're there, we're looking around for little scraps of anything and picking it up. We have a place camp, and you have to clean up, and they'll come check you afterwards, and they won't replace you. Let you come again early if you don't keep it clean. Well, the leave no traces, we just, you can't throw down cigarette butts or anything. Just clean it all up. We're constantly looking around. If you see a little something down there, you just pick it up.
Yeah.
From LA.
Which part of LA?
We moved here from Glendale, but we lived all over. East LA, South LA.
Right on.
And there you have it folks, another video comes to an end. I hope you had a blast watching it, and if you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon as well, so you never miss any of my future uploads. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in my next video.